Hello, I'm Aldrin. I'm an international property specialist from the number one real estate company in the Philippines. For me, yung math, sobrang kakampi ko yan. And yun talaga yung best friend, ika nga, na kailangan ang nakikita ko na magiging challenging numbers. Pero as I go on, unti-unti, lumilinaw. And then consistency is the key talaga. More practice. For me, ang nakita ko agad, question, kasi before ako trading, I'm from real estate. And then I flew, I'm a flight attendant before and quality assurance auditor as well. So, checklist. Sabi ko, saan ako magsisimula? Anong unang gagawin ko? So, nung una, it's like a puzzle na nakahiwa-hiwalay. Pero as I go on, from freshman, sophomore, junior to senior, unti-unti na puzzles, pieces of the puzzles together. With the coaches, kudos to everybody. Nakita ko yung passion to help, to assist, to really ensure that everybody catches up. And then, yung willingness to help na kung may hindi naintindihan, just ask para we can address it. So, very important sa someone na walang, like me, na walang background ng trading, na yung coaches will be very kind. And at the same time, they make learning, kumbaga, in such a way na may enjoy siya ng mga students. So, yung dedication ng bawat isa ng community, ika nga, yun yung nakakatulong na to look forward to another day of learning. So, proud ako na merong another skill. Very important skill na hindi mababayaran or worth of my investment. Kasi yung skill na yon na natutunan ko from LTA, I can teach my kids, I can teach my relatives, my friends, and maybe in the future, help others na hindi ko naman talaga kilala. Kumbaga parang for them to have a 2.0, kumbaga in the future. So for me, I'm very proud na nalagpasan ko yung moment na kumbaga nag-contribute para sa akin more than worth ng money na ininvest. For me, lahat ng hindi lang, let's start with Filipino since ang goal ni LTA is 1 million. Let's start with that. Pero this is again a skill that kumbaga you'll be proud of, and at the same time you can use to improve your status, and at the same time assist or help other people in need to be or to have a better life in the future. Aldrin, LTA graduate, batch 8.
Don't just watch others succeed in the market, be part of it. Enroll now at Legendary Trading Academy and start your journey today.